Cosmo Show, the Cosmo Show of 2010, the night of international fairy tales. The Cosmopolitan Club has been serving the Korean community since 1946, which is 55 years, and we are proud to have such a long and fruitful history to serve the college and Berea town itself. Our mission is to promote diversity, cooperation, and brotherhood in the whole world towards all people. And as the president of the Cosmo Club, I would like to express my thank you to all the people who made this show happen and all the participants, despite their homework, they're able to perform here. So please give them a loud applause. Thank you. The theme for today's Cosmo Show is not a random pick. We all know that usually a fairy tale is full of miracles, full of unexpected adventures and happy endings. And we hope and we wish that by joining our efforts today all over the world, we will be able together, all people of the earth, to overcome such calamities as war, genocide, poverty, hunger, racism, and also such disasters, natural disasters as earthquakes that happened in Haiti, in Chile, in Turkey, in China, and all other world ills that are happening every day in the world. And as Helen Keller said, never bend your head, always hold it high, look the world straight in the eye. We hope that today you will look into the faces of the world and enjoy our common effort to promote diversity and tolerance in Berea College. So, let the magic spread.